Hello, assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how you can put makeup of your taking picture and how you can put the makeup while taking your pictures. So we are going to discuss about the very fantastic app that is your cam makeup app. So you can say YouCam makeup. Okay, so if you want to put the makeup after taking the picture which you having already, so you can do by this. If you want to take and if you want to put the makeup as well on while taking your pictures, so you can put by this. So this is multitasking app, so you can do easily. Here is our option: screenshot, video edit, selfie pro. Okay, so screen score, when you will click, so you can take the picture when the picture will come on the here when the picture will come, so easily you can take the picture by this. So this is very amazing to use. And if you have already picture, so you have to put the makeup, so just you have to click here for to makeup, then you have to select a picture. Okay, then you can focus on the face as well, and you can do by hair as well. This is very amazing to do. Okay, then easily you can do the lip color as well, metal, stain, sheer, gloss and shimmer. Whatever you want to put, you can put easily. So this is very fantastic to put your lip color on your already pictures. And gloss, if you want to put, you can put the gloss as well. So guys, you are seeing on the screen that I am changing this lip color as well. You can see by the dark colors. Okay guys, gloss, whatever you want to put, you can put. Holographic, you can put. And if you want to increase and decrease your lip size, you can increase and decrease by hair as well. So here are the multi options to apply. And if you want to put a height, weight, size, you can put by hair as well. So this is very fantastic to use. And if you want to crop, so easily you can crop by hair. And if you want to save, when you will click here, so it will be saved before and after. You can see by hair the changing on the picture. Okay, and as well as you do the multiple things by this app. If you want to change the hair, so easily you can change the hair as well. You can see hair colors, these will be changed. You can see the hair colors are being changed. So this is very fantastic to use. And if you want to see the color, other color is coming, the shade, two color shade will come. So this is very fantastic. I enjoy this. Effects, accessories, stickers, frame, nail. So you can put the frame as well. You have to install the app. Okay, if you want to take the look, mouth, eye, you can put by hair as well. So this is very amazing makeup app by which you can put the makeup of your already pictures which you have taken before. And if you are taking picture, so you can use the cam, makeup cam. Okay, so by this you can changing your pictures as well. So this is very fantastic to use. Thanks for watching. Still you do not like and subscribe, must like and subscribe. And if you want to download this, so I have giving the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.